Yo, what's good? First off, everybody subscribe to my page, Phone Jailbreaker 103, for the most updated Cydia tweaks, jailbreaks, anything that has to do with jailbreaking the phone, iPhones, Galaxies, HTCs, just about any phone you name. Just wanted to show you guys today how to get videos as your ringtone. And you need a tweak called Vuziq from Cydia, and you can download that. Okay, go into Cydia, and by the way, the theme that I'm using is called Jade HD. You can also get that out of Cydia. Just wait for that to load up. Okay, this is taking a little minute. Okay. As you can see, I am running iOS 5.1.1. Go to search, type in Vuziq, Vuziq. Just click on that. I already have it installed, so you just install that. When you install it, just hit the home button. And you go to Vuziq. Okay, the top up here is music news, and the bottom will be your videos. This is where you download the video. Just click on download down here. Just type in whatever video you look for, download it, then go to video calls, turn the video on, and then it'll take you to another screen where you can edit the video and choose whatever part that you want to play for the ringtone. You can have it for whatever contact you want it to play for. Got your settings. You can have it playing full screen, FaceTime, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want it to play for. And that's pretty much it. And don't forget to subscribe to my page, Phone Jailbreaker 103. Next video I'll be posting will be the APN Unlock It, which is for the internet. You need internet on your phone, on your jailbreaking device. I know how to do it. Just subscribe to my page. Thanks.